What's up, guys? John B here. Coming out to the MotoX Compound today. Got some guys, Atlanta Supercross is in town this week. Got some guys out here riding, and want to come out here and see who's out here today. Do a little riding. Got a few guys coming to train between the rounds. I had round 1 Saturday. Round 2 is tomorrow, and then round 3 is just coming up Saturday. But I haven't made it to the Supercrosses this year, so I don't think I am. But I want to come out here and see who's riding today. Matt has opened up the track for some guys to come down here and train between the races. So I want to come down here and check it out and see what's going on. So yeah, about to get out. Just pulled up here. About to get out and see what's going on, see who's all out here, and take a few pictures. So hope everybody's been well. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I figured I'd say hello to everybody, see what everybody's been up to, and give y'all a few pictures. So I'll talk to y'all a little later. All right. So what's up, guys? Just leaving the MotoX Compound. I got out here a little bit too late. Josh Hill was actually putting his bike up as I was pulling up, so I talked to him for a little bit, and hopefully some guys come back out this week, Thursday or Friday, probably most likely Thursday. Josh said they had to get to Bike Tech today, so they already started it, so he had to leave. So stuck around for a little bit, took a few pictures of the other kids out here riding at Matt's training. And yeah, about to head to the house now and I guess start working on some pictures. But yeah, nice day out here today. It's in the low 80s and sunny with a little breeze, so made it nice out here. Actually it says 75 on my van here. So yeah, it's a nice day. And hopefully got some good shots of the kids out here, and they'll like the shots. They weren't riding the whole track. They were just riding part of the track. So doing a little training, figure eights and corners and stuff like that. So yeah, head to the house now, and we'll get me something to snack on and drink and rest for a little bit and start editing pictures, and I guess put this video together. So you're watching now, so you already know it's together. So I'll see y'all in the next video, and y'all have a good one. All right, later.